Hello, bar parents and guardians. This is Mr. Covarrubias, principal here at Bar. Hey, we want to thank you all for taking the time to watch this video. This is part one of a few videos that we will be creating in order to explain our new Bulldog Way system that we have implemented this year. We're going to try to keep these videos short and just give you a rough overview of what our new Bulldog Way system looks like, how it helps kids be successful, some things that might come up, when students are here at school and in conversations at home that are going to help you better have some of those conversations and help answer questions you might have. As always, because these videos will be short and because there's always other things that come up, if any questions should arise while you watch this video, please feel free to give us a call or shoot one of us an email here at school so we're able to answer those questions further. So with that, we will begin. So our new positive behavior support system is called the Bulldog Way. And as you will see throughout this presentation, we went through a couple of different processes in order to create the Bulldog Way, and we're very proud of the work that we've done, but there's still more work to do. So with that, the Bulldog Way, if we think back to when the Bulldog Way was first created, we had at the beginning of last school year some staff that expressed concern of some inconsistency with the way we were managing behavior as an entire building. Some of those inconsistencies came from people were trained in different behavior management systems that we were no longer training people in. We had some new processes for our recovery room in school suspension referral system, and it was creating some inconsistency with the way we were handling that. And so the staff expressed wanting to have success criteria for all areas of our building to help kids be successful. So the solution that came out of that was the behavior committee was created. The behavior committee met twice a month all of last school year in order to create this Bulldog Way system. We visited other schools and other school districts to see how they were implementing behavior systems, and it helped us really create our own. And from that, the Bulldog Way system was created. Um, to talk further about that, our Bulldog Way system, the purpose behind it was always to know that clear expectations for students, coupled with consistency and follow through, increase positive relationships. So that was always the goal behind it, is to create a system that allowed us to be defined in our expectations in a consistent way across our building. We know that those clear expectations help students manage behaviors, help teachers help students manage those behaviors. And when you couple that with restorative practices, it helps students have future success and better self-awareness with possible behavior issues that may come up. The intended outcomes behind this system was always to be clear about building expectations, keep students in the learning environment, allow teachers to hold students accountable to behavior expectations while building strong relationships, use restorative chats for reestablishing positive learning environments after an incident has occurred, and provide a stronger layer of support with consistent language and expectations for all. And with that, our proactive approach to it is making sure we're teaching kids those expectations. We have those expectations posted. We're praising and rewarding positive behavior as opposed to just waiting for negative behavior to happen, and always continue building positive relationships. The way that the Bulldog Way system looks mostly is we have these posters and we have lessons created with these posters that you're going to see all over our building and in our classrooms. They define what safe, respectful, and responsible behavior look like pretty much everywhere in our hallways, in the auditorium, in locker rooms, cafeteria, classrooms, and in all areas. And what they are intended to do is to help kids know specifically what does safe, respectful, responsible behavior look like in each of those areas in a positive way that allows them to focus on what to do as opposed on what not to do. So when you're in our building, you'll see some of these posters, and in future videos, we'll talk further about what we do with these posters, our lessons, what does the positive reward system look like, and then what does the reactive system look with that as well. So thanks again for joining us for this first video. We hope it was explanatory. And again, if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out so we can help you answer those questions. As always, go Bulldogs!